This is really going to move your feet to the beat when I show you this item. This is so cute. Child, look at this. Look at this. So they have the gingerbread man tongues. Child, this is so cute. Also the Christmas tree. Oh my goodness, $1.25. What about the silicone spatulas? Bacon Christmas cheer. Really cute. You get 2 for $1.25. Child, still deal like Holyfield. Listen, let me tell you something, okay? You can't say I ain't put you up on anything, girl. All right, let me tell you, boy, okay, girl, boy, it doesn't matter, okay? I'm just sharing the info, okay, to you guys, all right? Because we family, all right? Last time I checked, all right? And I want you to have these amazing deals for real, all right? Check this out. So, Hydrate and Skincare Collection compares to Neutrogena Hydro Boost. So I guess this is a big deal in these streets out here, all right? Because, honey, they selling this quick, all right? So this is the Hydrate and Gel Cream, okay? And this is the dupe of Neutrogena. Really cute, $1.25. They also have the Hydrate and facial wipes, and then the Hydrate and hand gel. Really cute, all for $1.25. They also have this right here. Now I had seen this last time, the black charcoal double bubble cleanser, and this is $1.25. Really cute. So before is black, and then I guess like once it did, got all the impurities and stuff or out of your skin, your pores, it turns into white. Honey, this is cute. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day, child. If not, do understand, okay? Your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Honey, message today, okay? On this beautiful, gorgeous day, okay? It is hot out here, all right? Now, some places are hotter than others, so that's why I got my... Well, listen, this is the message. You listening, Linda? I want you to get this. Okay? And get this good. Show up as the person you desire to be, all right? Show up as the person that wants greatness in their lives, okay? In their life. Listen, let me tell you something. You've been showing up based upon what you've been going through. Okay, and honey, that ain't doing nothing but getting you more of what you say you don't want. Okay, so I'm gonna need you to be delusional. Now, I know some people say be realistic and all this and that and like that. No, we ain't being realistic. We being delusional, okay? All right? We showing up as the person we desire ourselves to be. So if you say you want to show up with more confidence, honey, show up with more confidence, okay? Whatever that may take, all right? Now, nothing to harm yourself, of course not, child. All right? But if it is you wearing clothes or you getting dressed up, you going into your alter ego, honey, I need you to do that today. All right? Now, we have a good old video. I got to be quick because my children, they got a parade at their school today. But we going inside of Dollar Tree. Let me tell you something. Dollar Tree has some amazing items for you and me, child. All right? All right, so let's go inside and see what they got for us good folks. Okay, so as soon as you come in, Dollar Tree. Now, this Dollar Tree, every Dollar Tree, I want you guys to understand and get this, that every Dollar Tree sell, different things, okay? Sometimes they may have something that the previous Dollar Tree that I just was in may have, and sometimes they don't have it yet, okay? So you got to be patient with them. Now, this Dollar Tree has the solar stake lights, and they come in different colors. As you see, these are more neon colors looking as opposed to the one that is closer to my house. All right. Now, they also have the solar decor right here. Now, I had seen these before. These are all $1.25. The LED projectors over here. These are cute, fancy, mancy. And then they also have the LED ornaments over here. Now, these right here, they have brought some more back. So when you turn this light, you see how it says try me, it turns different colors. These are so cute, fancy mancy. Now, Dollar Tree also have the plastic scoops over here, which are $1.25 for 2 pieces. But child, look what else they have. Okay, they have the bike bags. This is the first time I am ever seeing something like this. This is $1.25. They come in different colors. They also have the chair covers, really, really cute, $1.25. And then they also have the gift boxes. These are some huge gift boxes, if I may say so myself. Okay, child. And I like these because they fancy pantsy mancy, and they come in different decorations, right? Really, really cute. Look how cute this little notebook is. So this is a memo book with pen. This is so cute. Really, really cute. This is a great stocking stuffer. Really, really good. And these are some of the stocking stuffers that they have. Now, when I first seen these socks, I was too through. I was like, what? Dollar Tree selling aloe infused socks for $1.25, and they are so soft. Really, really cute. Now, Dollar Tree also have the oven mittens right here. They are $1.25. They come in different directions. They have these cups right here. These are really, really cute, $1.25. And child, when I tell you that they have the cups, the glasses that goes with the plates, honey, they ain't playing. Okay, you gonna show out this holiday season. Look how cute this is. You gonna try to tell me this not cute? This is fancy pantsy. And look how cute this is. Really, really cute, the little plates. All right, child, $1.25. This is fancy pantsy. Move your feet to the beat. Dollar Tree also have these trays right here. This is so cute, $1.25. But look at these. Now, I like these plates right here with the different colors. I really like the metallic. I love the gold ones, okay? But the silver ones, it hits too. This just, makes it, you got class, okay? And you're gonna have your stuff together this holiday season, $1.25. And then they also have the red. This is fancy pantsy mancy, really, really cute. Okay, so my son, my youngest son, he wanted one of these, and I was looking for them at the Dollar Tree at my house. They didn't have them, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick him up one, and then go ahead and pick up another troll pen. I absolutely love these. These are $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have these mugs right here. These are so cute. And they not like your average typical mugs. They're a little larger. Today is a good day. Today is as good as you make it. I know that's right. Coffee time. Stay a while. Really, really cute. And then, honey, of course, they have the Swiss Miss milk chocolate flavors right down at the bottom to remind you, honey, get that too. Now, Dollar Tree also have the fresh linen. This puts me in the mind of the Glade, okay? Honey, you talk about dupes. Dollar Tree is going to make sure they put a few dupes out, all right? And this is $1.25. Okay, so many people was talking about these headbands, all right? And these are so cute, $1.25. So they come in 3 different colors at this here location. They have the pink. They also have this cream looking one, and then this royal blue one. Really, really cute. Now, I had showed you guys this the other day, okay? The Softy Super Freeze. Well, not the Super Freeze, the Oregon gel, okay? But this location, they have the Super Freeze Clean and Clear Protein Styling Gel. Let me know if you guys have used this. Child, wait, hold on. Child, I wonder how this is. This herbal oil formula. Okay, now it has too much stuff on here for me to read, honey, because I gotta go and watch my children parade in a few, okay? But this looks good, $1.25. Let me know if you guys have ever used this before. They also have the candy apple exfoliating foot mask, 1 pair, and then they also have the vanilla bean, $1.25. Now, these jade facial rollers, I remember when I first seen these at Dollar Tree, honey, I was impressed to say the least. Okay, I thought I was in heaven, all right? These are $1.25, still deal. Now, I had told you guys the other day, right, when I was in my local Dollar Tree, I had seen this because somebody in the YouTube streets, okay, they were saying this shower cream is so, so good. So, you know, this is supposed to be like the dupe, okay, really, really good, sensitive skin with coconut oil and vitamin E. Now, when I see this puts me in the mind of the EOS, okay, the shaving cream. That is a dupe. This is a dupe shave cream, okay. And this is $1.25. I think EOS, last time I checked, well, I used to use that, and I think that was like, was it $3 something? Honey, but look, $1.25. Then they also have the personal care intimate shave cream, water-based shave cream, and moisturizer vanilla cake. Child, fancy. Now, Dollar Tree also have, and I think this is a dupe as well, the cocoa butter cream, extra rich, compares to Vaseline, yup, cocoa butter, and this tones and softens dry skin, $1.25. Now, I was going to get those pads. Honey, I ain't going to get those pads, those, well, you know what, let me just try them and no, you know what, I'm not getting them, okay? I got to be stern with myself. And this is $1.25. Okay, we want to check out for